Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to install Etimetrack lite software. Open browser, type here Etimetrack lite download. Okay, right click on Etimetrack lite software, click on open link in new tab, click on Etimetrack lite desktop download. File is downloaded. Now click on download, click on Etimetrack lite zip file, open, click on etimetracklite.msi. File is extracting, please wait. Okay, now click on next, click on accept, click on next. There is the option to change location. I am changing location here, D drive. Click on next. Okay, click on next. Okay, click on next. Installing Etimetrack lite software, please wait. This is MS Access. Click on next, click on install. This software work on Microsoft Access database engine. Okay, click on OK, click on close. Now click on start, click on Etimetrack lite to open software. Software is open. Type here in this Etimetrack lite software, username and password both are eSSL. Okay, click on login. Software is login. Now check, click on utility device management, click on TD, check mark here, right click, edit. Now check here machine connected with software or not. Click on test connection. Connected to device successfully. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.